Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an affordable home gym. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who no longer want to deal with those commercial crowds at the gym. I'll show you how to make an affordable home gym by explaining to you my setup. So initially, when I first purchased, my home gym setup consisted of this bench, dumbbells, and then a pull-up bar. And altogether, I was able to get that for less than around $300, just because the adjustable dumbbells I got from reused on a third-party marketplace called Facebook Marketplace. So brand new, these would actually cost you $400, but I was able to get them for around $250. The bench itself cost me around like $100. This is the finer form bench. And then the pull-up bar was about $30, I believe, from Amazon as well. Now, with an affordable home gym, okay, this centerpiece that you see right here, I got this in my second year in my home. And so I saved up and then was able to afford this $1,000 power rack from RipFit. So it's a power rack, Smith machine, and pulley system. So you've got a dual pulley system combo, a seated row attachment, a landmine attachment, a pull-up bar up top, the Smith machine bar. Then you've got plate holders in the back, and as well as attachment holders and barbell holders on the back as well. Now with this machine, okay, the RipFit Power Rack cost me around $1,000, but I saved up every single month last year in order to afford this machine. So now I'm able to do a diverse range of exercises, and working out isn't so straightforward anymore when it comes to only using dumbbells or the pull-up bar. But with this machine, I'd say, is it affordable or not? I think it is. The way I justified buying this machine is that I canceled my membership, and then I realized that after about 2.5 years, I would be able to recuperate my costs in purchasing this machine. So when it comes to building your home gym, the one tip or a piece of advice I can give you is that don't cheap out in buying really cheap equipment, okay? The equipment's not gonna last long. And also, you might be jeopardizing your health in case that equipment gets faulty. And I've seen that happen before in videos where a weight plate might get faulty and it accidentally falls on an individual's foot, right? So that's not a good day at all. But with this though, an affordable home gym is definitely possible. I would say just save for it. But seriously, if you're looking for an affordable home gym, just don't cheap out on really cheap equipment, guys. You want equipment that lasts a long time. And also, you'll be investing in your health, okay? You'll be investing in your health for a long period of time, and there's nothing more important than your health. So with that though, I'll be leaving links to all the equipment that I mentioned down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.